Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Patient Guard channel. Today we're diving into an essential topic for medical device manufacturers and innovators, the clinical evaluation process under the European Union Medical Device Regulation, or EU MDR. If you're in the medical device industry, understanding this is critical for regulatory success in the EU market. Let's break it down. Clinical evaluation plays a central role in demonstrating the safety and performance of medical devices. Under the EU MDR, it's more comprehensive and robust than ever before. Let's explore what clinical evaluation really means in the EU MDR context, the essential steps involved, and the main points manufacturers need to keep in mind to comply. Clinical evaluation is the systematic assessment of clinical data to verify a device's safety and performance. It's an ongoing process and must be maintained throughout the device's entire life cycle, not just before market entry. This aligns with the EU MDR's focus on ensuring that devices are effective and safe from launch through every phase of use. Under MDR, clinical evaluation is structured and highly regulated, covering both pre-market and post-market data. It's closely linked to other processes like post-market surveillance and vigilance to continually monitor a device's clinical safety and performance in the real world. Why such a rigorous process? Simply put, the EU MDR aims to enhance patient safety by ensuring only clinically proven devices reach the market. The days of merely relying on equivalent device data are gone. Now the focus is on direct evidence supporting the device in question. Clinical evaluation allows manufacturers to gather clinical evidence proving that their devices perform as intended and are safe for use. The MDR requirements enforce high standards for evidence, especially for higher-risk devices. Let's take a look at the key steps in clinical evaluation under EU MDR. These steps outline how to demonstrate compliance and navigate the clinical requirements. 1. Define the scope and objectives. First, determine the scope and objectives of your clinical evaluation. Identify the intended purpose, the device's risk classification, and the specific claims you're making about its performance. 2. Data collection. Literature review and clinical investigations. Next, gather all relevant clinical data. This includes both published data, such as literature on equivalent devices, and data from clinical investigations if required. For many high-risk devices, direct clinical investigation data is mandatory. 3. Critical appraisal and analysis of data. Then, critically appraise this data. Assess the quality and relevance to make sure it's reliable and relevant to the device in question. This is a key part of demonstrating that the data supports your safety and performance claims. 4. Writing the Clinical Evaluation Report, CER. All findings are compiled in the Clinical Evaluation Report. The CER includes an analysis of all collected data, any identified risks, and how the device complies with the general safety and performance requirements under MDR Annex 1. 5. Ongoing updates with post-market data. Finally, clinical evaluation doesn't end once the device hits the market. EU MDR requires continuous updates based on post-market clinical follow-up PMCF and surveillance data to keep the CER up to date. Clinical evaluation under EU MDR can be challenging. Here are some quick tips to help streamline the process. Start early. Clinical evaluation should be initiated early in the design process, allowing time to gather high-quality data. Focus on data quality, not quantity. Not all data will meet MDR standards. Prioritize high-quality, device-specific evidence. Engage with notified bodies. Work closely with your notified body to understand the specific evidence they require. Keep CER updated. Remember, post-market data is crucial. Schedule regular updates to your CER based on real-world data. These steps can help you build a strong clinical evaluation, but every device is unique. Tailor your approach to your device and its specific risks. Non-compliance with clinical evaluation requirements can lead to delays, costly reevaluations, or even loss of market access in the EU. It's essential to get it right. At Patient Guard, we specialize in helping companies navigate EU MDR requirements, including clinical evaluation. Our team of experts can assist you in creating compliant CERs and guide you through the entire process, from initial evaluation to post-market surveillance. Thank you for joining us to explore the clinical evaluation requirements under EU MDR. For more insights on medical device compliance, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss our next video. If If you need support or have questions, feel free to reach out to us at Patient Guard. Stay compliant, stay safe, and we'll see you next time.